freaking engine blue. Does Blue Devil ruin your engine? Did Blue Devil ruin my engine? If you're here for the quick answer, no it didn't. And no it won't. So, for those of you that just wanted to get in and get out, you can leave the video now, because it's not going to ruin your engine. But I did ruin my engine. It's a little embarrassing. It's very embarrassing, actually. I was working on the water pump and it was late, and I didn't tighten down the radiator hose clamp. And on the first drive down the freeway, I thought it was good to go. I overheated and annihilated my engine. So what we're gonna do is tear the engine down and see what it looks like inside. It has, it's been running on Blue Devil for 2 years, or had been running on Blue Devil for 2 years. And it was running really great. I mean, I fully considered it, and still do consider it, a fix in this case. Now, will Blue Devil ruin your engine? No, but will it absolutely fix your engine? I can't say. We're gonna tear down this engine. I'm gonna show you a little bit about what happened with my new engine. Also, don't buy used engines. I made that mistake. If you do buy a used engine, tear it down, give it a very thorough inspection before you install it. Otherwise, you will be very sorry. Well, you might be. You could be very sorry. And I hope for your sake, if you do that, that you don't end up being sorry like I did. So, what we'll do is basically take the heads off. We're gonna look at the head gaskets. You know, there's two, one on each side. We'll look at some of the water passages. We'll pull the water pump off, see if we can find any blue goo that people claim they see from Blue Devil. I don't think we're gonna find anything clogged. I really don't. So grab a 10mm. This has been sitting out here for a little while, and I'm finally getting to it. I'm not planning on putting this back together. Everything, it's warped and cracked and screwed up and not good. So I'm not going to pay too much attention to where things go. It's a little sad doing this. That thermostat ran for 2 years with Blue Devil, and it looks freaking good as new. Very clean, okay? Finally got another hammer out. Was able to get it. Oh, I cracked it. How the hell did I miss that? What? Oh, if it wasn't ruined before, it is now. I mean, the rust I expect. No blue gunk. Start taking the top off. Anybody need one of these? Oh, it's easy when you take the right stuff off. Why did they do that? I don't know if I have that bit. The lock Torx with the hole in it. I might have to finish this another day. That's annoying. I'll tell you what I don't see is any Blue Devil gunk anywhere. Just a little bit of warpage on it. I don't see cloggage in any of the passages. Do we think that that scaly stuff is Blue Devil? Or do we think that's corrosion from sitting outside for a year? I haven't seen anything like that in any of the hoses or in the radiator. Curious what you guys think. I mean, you can see how much sludge buildup there is on the pistons just from sitting for so long. That was a lot more work than I expected it to be. I expected it to be a lot, but that sucked. There you have it. If you clicked on the video because you're curious if Blue Devil is going to ruin your engine, I stand by what I said earlier. I do not think it's going to ruin your engine. It didn't ruin mine. This was my own mistake. The head gasket blew because I didn't tighten down a radiator hose clamp that was... Don't work late at night when you're tired, and always double check your work. That's what I have to say about that. If you clicked on the video because you want to see how to ruin a 4.0 Toyota engine, well, there you go. I banged on it, I bent it, broke it, bruised it, cut it, rusted it out. I might take some pieces and do a DIY project, we'll see. But keep an eye out for that in the future. If you liked the video, hit that like, smash the subscribe and the bell for the algorithm. That helps me bring new content to you guys. Again, thank you all so much for watching. See you on the next one.